In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Notion Calendar. By the end, you'll know the two main ways to view your schedule. Inside a Notion page, using a calendar view, and in the standalone Notion calendar, you can open in your browser. Let's start inside Notion. Open Notion and head to a page that has a database you want to see on a calendar, like tasks, events, or deadlines. Near the database name, look for Add a View. Click that, choose Calendar, and confirm. Notion will switch that database into a clean calendar grid so you can see your entries plotted by date. If you prefer to create a calendar directly on a page, you can also type /calendar view and select the inline calendar option. That places a calendar right where your cursor is on the page. For this to work, the database needs a date property. The calendar uses that property to decide where each item sits on the grid, whether it's a single day or a range. If your items aren't appearing, it usually means there's no date set on those entries, or the database doesn't have a date property yet. Once the property is present and filled in, your entries will show up automatically. This is a great way to keep project tasks and due dates visible without leaving your workspace. Now, if you want a full calendar experience outside of a specific page, there's a standalone Notion calendar you can open in your browser. It's designed to feel like a traditional calendar while still connecting to your Notion workspace and any calendars you've synced. Open your preferred web browser and go to calendar.notion. If you're prompted, sign in with your Notion account. After you're logged in, your calendar will load and display your events and connected calendars in one place. Because it's tied to your Notion workspace, changes you make in the standalone calendar will stay in sync with what you see back in Notion. It's a smooth way to switch between planning in a database and managing your time on a dedicated calendar screen. For quick access later, consider bookmarking the page so you can jump straight to your schedule. To recap, you can open a calendar right inside Notion by adding a calendar view to any database or by typing /calendar view on a page, as long as that database includes a date property. Or open the full Notion calendar in your browser at calendar.notion.so and sign in to see your events and connected calendars together. That's all you need to get your Notion calendar up and running.